Welcome this video. Front yard fence alternate create a way to define and beauty your space when it's come to enhance the curb appear of your home. One of the first thing men homeowners think about is fence. A fence provide privacy, define boundaries, security, and add capturing to a house. Traditional fence, whether wood, line, area, the only way to access those benefit. Its fence mean homeowner today are explored front yard fence alternate that are often mean affordable, issue friendly, appear whether you want to add greenery, create the natural boundary or design something. There are mean a way to frame your front yard without on a standard fence. We explored a various of create range for natural plants to modern architecture solve stone wall for a natural yard boundary. Stone wall have been used then can be boundary for locate river rock or cut stone for a more publish appear. Explore long lasted weather. Add rustic charm and seamless with gardening. Rustic last to now minimalize once built. Rustic last to now main interest one build. Stone wall can be both simple mark boundary to create more privacy. Stone wall with ceramics, plants or flower its edge create an invite and timeless look. Decoration metal screen. Modern homeowners often choose decoration metal screen as a same alternate for fans. Those cut bonds come in various palettes for geometric to full and can be visual highlights select of your yard. Then work. Add rustic and unique to reproductive. Provide privacy well, light, low maintenance and doubling. Screen can be climax with plant or stone basic to build their contemporary look. Wood panel to a traditional pick. Privacy fans consider wood metal panel. Their open grill design are both functional and decoration. Affordable and easy to install. Provide structure for climax like rose. Add textile without complete build view. Live wall and versatile gardening. If you want something unique or living wall, but style gardening can replace traditional French doors, wall use panel plants alternate to the frame allow gardening to growing various benefit traditional boundary into various French functional can be customized flower hub or structure living wall and main interest but then unmatched beauty to create